Welcome. It's day 2. We're just getting up and I'm gonna head into A&W, get some breakfast. Goodbye, Stephenville. Thank you for a great evening. Look. That's the one from before. Wouldn't I love to climb that? Every other town should be that friendly. Look at these two swifty people sporting Feener Outdoor appeal. Beautiful little cabins tucked away all along the trail. How you doing? Stop here for a second. We've been trucking along the trail on our way to Glance. We've been following this river all along. I've been peeking through the trees and I'm like, I gotta find an opening. This is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I think this deserves a drone flight.
Where are we now? I just tried to add Newfoundland, yes. Okay. I just take when I take the pictures, I put a little note at the top.
What a beautiful spot this is. Gorgeous, just outside Glance. Beautiful. Yes. Nice and crisp. I'm driving by all these rivers and brooks and I'm like, I just want to walk all of them.
How do you spell it? G-L-A?
G-A-L-L.
A-N-T.
Yes. Yes.
No, we canceled that.
Carol, I know you hate pictures, but you're pretty much all covered up.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
It looks
I had to look
perfect.
like off
With
because
this?
of the Duke. And I was like,
I love it.
wow, we've had
Okay, supposedly there's salmon laying still in here. I'm gonna go down and try to get some on the 360. We'll see. Really? Like up here? I don't know if I'm gonna get any. So they're right down in there. I put the 360 in there. I can't see them. I'm hoping when I get back on the screen on the computer I'll be able to see a little better under the water. It's not just Cape Breton. Everywhere as we go. Oh, take it with us. Help clean it up a bit. We're just going over that river we were just standing at. Or actually, no, it's an offshoot to it. Beautiful. Alright, it's a little too early in the day for us, but a lot of people stop there to lounge. They say they have really good food. Unfortunately, we're going to miss it. It's too early for lunch. We're just taking a back way. Well, kind of a back way to Serpentine Lake. I hope the trail's good. I've never been through here and I don't know anything about it. Okay, that's not a good start.
Maybe this goes around though.
Yeah, let's hopefully there's another bridge or something here. Carl and Deb's gonna kill me.
Oh,
Oh no, we're good. This is good. This is good. Oh. Sometimes it's nice to go off the beaten path, get to see things others don't. Oh, got a little cabin up in that hill there. Cool. He just came across this kind of oasis in the woods, and we're looking for bullwinkle. We're looking for bullwinkle. That'd be a perfect spot to see them, but I don't see any. So we're hunting bullwinkle. Okay, so we have Pat in the wild. He's a true outdoorsman. He's gonna call the moose and get it out.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Here, moose, 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 moose.
Do you hear that? It sounds just like one.
Here, moosey, 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 moosey.
Now that's sexy to me. I would think it would be to him. But they're not coming out of the woods.
I've never heard that.
I can't believe he's making her walk. That's rude, Pat.
Just to save gas.
Just to save gas.
Yeah.
That was not very nice. I am good. I'm in the woods with people I torment. Shit, that wasn't a word. Okay. Well, hold on. Cut.
Take two.
Okay. Snap. Take two. Oh yes, Dad, I'm happy. I'm in the woods. I'm with people I put up with. See, they laugh at me. That's what it's like. Gary, isn't it? They're not very nice.
Are they picking on you?
They are. They are.
My God.
Oh, wow. We're at 390 meters up, and this is what we're seeing off in the distance. I think everyone's gonna be glad we took this little offshoot.
I think so too.
Yeah, I hope so. Maybe I'll get a good Yelp review. We're up in the mountains making our way. Oh, wow, look at that.
That's gorgeous.
That is beautiful. Just coming down off the mountain. We came down to about 100 meters and we made our left and we're gonna head up the Serpentine Lake. It's only 17 kilometers away, and then we're gonna get some lunch on the go. Go for a swim, maybe even skinny dip. I doubt it though, I doubt it. Oh, wow.
My God.
Ain't that nice? Hi guys, how are you?
Oh, this is
beautiful.
gorgeous.
Hello, how are you? We're here. Serpentine Lake. Wow. Look at all them guys over there.
Don't run into these.
I'm not. I know there's a way over. I know they do go over, don't they?
Yeah, so I think you gotta go. Not sure. I think you probably just dip across right there, but essentially it's like the shallow part is like,
Out that way.
yeah, and then back into that bar and then on down. And then right here where the last couple of quads, that's the very beginning of Serpentine River, I believe is here.
Yes.
And then this is a different river that flows in from the other way. Comes into the lake this side, right?
Okay. Yeah, even this way more. You're good. Go on, you guys have seen these guys on the video. We keep meeting up with them.
Tonight we're at Corner Brook,
Yep, that's where we are.
and then the next night we're in Lowman River Lodge.
No, there's a CF Moto dealer in Corner Brook. So I'm going to call on Monday morning. We're going to call them. I don't know if you can get to it by the roads that you're allowed to drive on. You can get close.
Just do it.
Yeah.
Just do it. Nobody's going to bother you.
Right.
They're right up by the highway.
So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them a call and just be like, hey, listen, we came by. Can you just stop
They'll
by?
do everything in their power to help you. find your
No,
food.
I'm Lisa.
Yeah.
Lisa, nice
They'll
to meet
do
you.
everything they can for you.
Yeah, good.
They got a good reputation. They're great on service.
Yeah, good.
This is insane.
Yeah, isn't it?
Absolutely insane.
He wanted to camp out here.
Yeah, I wanted to camp
Yeah.
out here.
Hey. Look over there.
Yeah, I know, huh?
Fuckers. Canoes and everything.
They, at night, they said the stars out here.
Yeah, because there's no
light
pollution.
light pollution.
I know a lot about astro time lapse photography, so I wanted to do some astro time lapse. But
His wife prefers.
my wife prefers the hotel.
All right, who do we got?
Laurie and Matt,
Where are you guys from?
Pepperell, Massachusetts.
Awesome. So we met them on the trail, and where are we?
We're
Serpentine Lake.
in Serpentine Lake in Newfoundland.
In Newfoundland. We're having a fucking blast.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we're going to keep in contact with these guys because if we ever go to the States four-wheeling, we're going to
Hell
hook
yeah.
up with them.
Yeah, we have some
Is that
great
cool?
trails. Yeah, in Pittsburgh, New Hampshire, right at the northern part, right on the Canadian border. Some great trails
Awesome.
up there.
Awesome. It's been nice seeing you.
Yeah, nice seeing you guys. And we'll keep seeing you too.
Oh,
was gonna say,
definitely
don't worry,
hope
this
so.
isn't
Some moose tracks here. Look at the tadpoles. Wait till my wife sees those. I don't know if I'm gonna go in, but I'm gonna try. It's gonna be cold, but I'm under. You ready? Let's do this. Yeah, that felt good. Oh.
It's a fresh water finder.
I know. Yeah. Witching for water?
Yeah.
Just one sec, because I almost got stuck. Cut straight over. Cut her hard, yeah. We're just leaving Serpentine Lake. It's a rough section here for probably about 5 kilometers. Then you hit just regular dirt road. But oh, what a relaxing afternoon there. I hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage. Should be some nice shots. Outside of that, on the way out, We kind of got the floor wet. It got a little deep. I had to gun down a little bit, get her out. I ventured too far off the sandbar. I don't know if I got that on video, but if I did, have a laugh. And we're gonna get on the trail and we're heading to, where are we heading? Corner Brook. Going to Corner Brook. We saw this spot coming in and we wanted to take a look on the way out. So here we are. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous.
Beautiful, man.
Gorgeous.
Miles and miles.
Kissable now?
Yeah, I think I'm kissable now. Gotta stay pretty on the trail. She's a little ways down there. There's a ship out there. We made it, day 2, Corner Brook, second largest city in Newfoundland. All the hills. Just gorgeous. Now we gotta go find our place for the night. We're here. Greenwood Inn.
This is the Greenwood Inn.
Okay.
I don't know where Gary's at, though. Gary vaporized. I don't know where. Maybe he's in the underground parking. I don't know.
This looks a little too fancy for me. Crown and Moose Pub. Huh, cool. I don't think I'm fitting.
I don't think you're gonna fit.
No, he's not fitting.
No.
That's sad. Everybody's getting to go underground parking. And I'm left out because I'm big. That's not fair. We're gonna pull the tires off the roof, everything off the roof. We're gonna lower the tires down and see if we can fit. I don't know if this is gonna work. This is gonna be funny. This is gonna be funny. I'm getting on the back, 1 second. Oh, wow, that's gonna be close. Okay, just slow, very slow. Hold on, wait. Okay, slow. We're okay, we're okay. We're okay. All right, we got her in there. Oh, wow. You're gonna have to watch your roof here. No, you're good, you're good. We got it.
Okay, but where are we parking now?
Down here somewhere. Yep, pull it right in there. Yep, we did it. Well, I gotta say, I was stressed.
We did it.
I know, and we didn't have to let the air out.
No.
Well, it's good. We're just about to head downstairs to the lounge, but this is beautiful. The hills, it's awesome. It's 8 o'clock on day 2. We're walking through Corner Brook, bored as shit. What can we do? Comment down below, let us know what we missed out on. Hope you guys enjoyed today like we did. And we hope tomorrow will be another great day.
Yep.
This is only, what, day 2? So we're going on to day 3. Woo! Still got lots of time left. We'll see you tomorrow.